Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would say to thank you for your coming in my presentation. I'm great to see you all, and thank you to Mr. Ali for teaching me. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Ratna Handayani. Just call me Putri. I'm 23 years old, but 3 months again, I'm 24 years old. I have 2 little brothers. I live in Selangor, RT 13, RW 3, Kudus, Jepara. Okay, in this opportunity, I would like to present about me and my profession. I am a teacher, and in SMK Negeri 1 Kedung, I am teaching food science and technology, and I'm teaching all class in major food science and technology. Except as a teacher, I get other job in SMK Negeri 1 Kedung as a secretary on job training and coach in scientific work. What I like about my profession is I can still study for new things that I never do before. For example, in scientific work, we are doing several research that several research to find new innovation. That innovation we are doing is making moringa candy, huruf-huruf instan, and abon. Yes, moringa candy is candy from kelor. Yes, and every year, I and team always prepare for LKS competition that about food science and technology. Maybe usually the type of competition is local food, and usually students make 2 products. One product is product intermediately, for example, flour, making flour sweet potato, and one finished product, for example, making pastry or cookies. Okay, why I can be here and interested with learning English? Because I think that English is international language, and I think if we can speak English very well, we are able to anywhere we want. And I want to continue my study in University of New South Wales, and I want to take food science and technology. So if after I finish studying here, I hope my English can be better than before. Okay, thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I'm interested into your presentation because you said that you have a very good dreams. You said you want to study in New South Wales, right? As in food science and technology major, right? So, it's a great dreams. Maybe.
Thank you.
We hope you can make it, right?
Yes.
And I hope that all of your friends here, especially your teacher, will pray to you, and maybe you can make the dream come true. And you said that I interesting to your horok instant. What is horok instant? I do not know that.
Oh yeah. Horok instant is new innovation from me and my team. So that's we know horok is food from Jepara, and we can find in other country or other city. So if horok instant have moisture content, the little moisture content, so can be durable. Yeah, durable. So in other city maybe can consumptive can yes can consume horok.
Okay. You hope that horok will go international, right?
Yes.
Because horok can replace the rice or maybe our major food in daily activity in daily. Yeah, maybe I hope one day that horok will be more famous.
Yes.
Yeah. And I have some know that you are Morina Candy, and you are LKS competition. And where is it? Where I mean that who held the LKS competition?
For LKS competition in sign we in SMK Negeri 1 Kedong, August 2017. The place in Pati, and what is it? 2018 in Bawen, and 2019 in Purwokerto. So the place is always move.
You mean that the LKS competition, the first is on where is it? Pati.
Pati.
Itu pertama kali di Pati ya kan?
Yes.
Dan sekarang will be held in
Purwokerto.
Okay. I hope you can apa ya, bisa mendapat apa yang kamu harapkan. Karena saya kira LKS competition, maybe you have some team, right? You have how many person in your team?
5 person.
5 person.
Yes.
Oh. So your friend will help you to achieve your goal, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Putri. You can sit down again. Please big applause to Mbak Putri.